Imagine stepping into a home that feels introspective, almost silent on the outside. But once you cross its doors, it reveals layers of intimacy and surprise. Welcome to Relo House, where every step shows us how light, nature, and space can engage in a delicate conversation. We arrive through the gate and cross the first courtyard. Its host is an imposing poplar tree, leaning its foliage over the wall. The idea was to invite the resident to walk through this space daily, filtering social life from private life, while also encouraging the use of the main entrance instead of the service door. We continue down the corridor connecting the garage to the interior hall, and it soon becomes clear that every daily path is meant to reconnect us with this threshold between social and intimate. We move through the living room and find the true heart of the house, a central courtyard that extends across both levels. On the ground level, it separates service areas from social spaces. On the upper level, it defines the TV and guest rooms from the main suite and the children's bedroom. And here comes a surprise: a stair-like walkway that lets you interact with the tree canopy, offering an unexpected perspective. This play of levels exists because the social area on the ground floor has a double-height ceiling, while the service areas have only one, placing the main suite and the children's bedroom higher than the TV room, where this walkway emerges. On both levels, the courtyard not only frames views of greenery, but also ensures cross-ventilation and natural light throughout the day. From the outside, the house feels solid, but inside it becomes transparent, establishing a fluid dialogue with the climate and surrounding vegetation. At the back, we discover that the rear facade, like the front, is a solid white volume. Yet through its subtractions, it gains rhythm and movement. The veranda roof creates a play of heights and spatial sensations through its sloping planes. From the inside, 3 of these elements appear as large light wells that flood the interiors with brightness. But from the north, they are perceived as tilted boxes that seem to defy gravity. Relo House is pure contrast in lightness, discreet on the outside, deeply expressive within, and filled with emotions that emerge from nature in every corner.